Good morning, everyone. I am heading to the farm, and it is here about 6:30 in the morning. We're trying to beat the heat and get some things done there. So it's gonna be a hot day, but don't you come along. So this video is a little bit of everything. So what's going on and what we're doing, and trying what we're trying to do to beat the heat. But life just goes on, hot or cold. We're out working, and make the best out of it. But we're going forward on the farm. That's great. I'm really happy about that. Even no matter how tired I am from getting up really early, working hard, and especially with this heat, it just really gets to me. But we're drinking a lot of water and taking breaks and stuff like that, but we'll get it done. But I do have to go to the garden and to pick my beans. They are overdue. I need to go pick them, and that's on my to-do list. Look at this. I am making progress. I have been working like crazy, and each evening I go over here and I pull weeds. I mean, pull the grass just a little bit here and there. But yes, I am almost done. And this right here, in that little corner there, that is all what I got left. Talking about the job, oh my Lord, this is a undertaking. And then I still got to go get mulch. I got 3 bags left, and I'm gonna have to get 15 more, probably maybe 20. But yes, there is a light off the end of the tunnel. And my blueberry bushes still producing quite a bit of blueberries, so I'm happy. Tony and I have talked about changing our plants a little bit, and we're actually talking about this area right here where we cleared out yesterday. We're actually planning on building the house back here instead of towards the front, so this will be more private, and we're going to have to clear a lot of those big trees out. But we're going to be using the trees to build our house, our stuff that we're building here at the homestead. So it's not going to be anyway, so I'm really happy to know that, but still kind of sad to see those trees go. And it is so peaceful and so beautiful back here. I just love listening to the birds and the sun coming to the trees. We are working on a project here for the farm, and this is one piece of the boards that we cut on the sawmill, and we're going to be actually we cut the tree down to make those posts because we didn't have long enough boards to do this. So we're going to be doing a very unique way to protect the wood from bugs and everything, and I'm looking forward to doing it. Check it out. I have finished pulling that tall grass out. It took me forever to do this, but all I have now to do is put mulch on it and tweak, pull a little couple here and there in between the hours. But I have finished pulling all the tall grass. I am just so happy. We have started a project at the farm, and we're going to try our best to finish it today because Tony's having surgery on Wednesday, and he won't be able to do very much after that for a while. So our goal for today is to finish a project and get things ready so we kind of, he can rest up a little bit before his surgery, and just, trying to go forward, but, just keep going. So meanwhile, at the house, I have been harvesting green beans. I was so happy. I got a full basket of green beans, and I went ahead and washed them up and soaked them in salt water, kill all the bugs and everything in there, and then I rinsed them off really good. And I went ahead and chopped them up and put them in the freezer. So that was really exciting. Also, those purple potatoes and the other yellow potatoes I had, that one's the plant of yellow potatoes. I also went ahead and diced a whole bunch of them up, and I went and put them in the freeze dryer, and they should be done today. And I'll show you all those when when they come out. And yeah, I'm just really happy because I have been getting harvest out of my garden, and I was very disappointed and really upset because of all those weeds and everything, but I'm over it now, and I'm just trying to keep maintaining it and keep going forward and not let that get to me, and just try to stay positive. So this stuff is awesome. I mean, you pour that in and it expands, and you don't have to worry about water hauling and all that dust and everything. So Fast 2K is some awesome products. I highly recommend it. So this stuff, what it does is you pour it in and it's starting to expand, and it will cover up the post, go around the post, and it will protect the post from moisture and all the stuff. So this is really easy to use, and I just love it because, like I said, the concrete was really heavy when you had to pick it up, and it was so dusty. But this stuff I'm in love with. So any kind of project I got now that I have to put something in the ground, I go to Fast Decay. I mean, it's awesome. Wonder what kind of bug that is. Alright, we got the posts in, we got all the hooks and everything in, and now we just got to put that one post right there with, Fast 2K on there, and we're going to hang it up. So we got the posts up, and now we're just gonna have to let the Fast 2K, rest for just a few minutes, like 30 minutes, and then it's ready to go. We actually can work with it, and it is just so much easier to work with. And we have come across this project a while back, and I wish we had it at that time when we done the pool, because it would have been so much easier than messing with all that concrete and everything. But yes, check this out. This is so cool. Especially, we cut the tree down, we made the logs for it, and then we made the posts and everything. We did everything ourselves. So this is so rewarding, and I'm so excited. Can't wait to hang the swing up and everything. So, and we have found a friend of ours. Her husband he was a cabinet maker, and he builds swings and all kinds of stuff. So instead of us going out to buy a brand new swing from somebody else, because we didn't have time to build one, so we decided to go ahead and go buy one. Well, I had two options: go buy one and really just a swing, or two, we go and get that custom made swing that he made. It's a very special swing, and I said, let's go with the special swing because it means much more to it. And I'm telling y'all, this swing is made so well, and the craftsmanship is awesome. So I'm really looking forward to hang it up. I did paint it. I'm not going to tell you though what color it is, and but yes, I just love it. I'm just so excited about the whole process, and now I can sit down and watch Tony work. Alright, well, here it is. Isn't it beautiful? I just totally in love with the swing and the beams and everything we cut and all the hard work, and we worked on this project maybe for 3 days. It was really worth it, and I'm going to be putting some hanging plants over here and over there, and kind of dress it up some more, and I'll be taking some more pictures. But yes, it turned out awesome. This one looks awesome, and I love the red. We're finished. We finally got this project done, and I am very happy in the way it has turned out. Building this swing means a lot because we have built the deck. Yeah, I mean, it was a nice deck and everything over the previous video that we've done. But building this swing and this frame for the swing, and we cut the tree down and made it and everything on the sawmill, it's a very special to us because this is our new beginning, our homestead, and it's a new beginning in our lives. And it just shows you with a lot of work and patience, you can get a lot of work done. It's just, it takes time to do all these things. And seeing this swing finished gives me such a joy, and I'm just so happy with it. And just imagine me sitting here, with my cup of coffee in my hand, and in the mornings or even late evenings, and it's just so beautiful, and listen to the birds and everything. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I hope to see y'all next time. And we're growing here on the homestead, so we're going to be working on some other things, and we have one big project ahead that we're going to be working on, and I'm very super excited about it. And it's probably going to be just a little bit. Tony had a surgery done, and so he's out of commission for just a little while. So but yeah, I'm just very happy the way things turned out. So I hope to see you next video, and God bless y'all, and be safe out there. Bye.